Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to add gloss edge effect into image in Word. Let's get started. Firstly we have to open a Word document. Then we go to the insert menu and click picture option. Then choose a picture on our file. Now I choose the picture and click insert. Now we can see here we insert a picture. Now we add gloss edge effect in this picture. Click the picture and go to the format menu. Then click picture effect. Now we can see here the glow and soft edge effect. Now we apply the soft edge effect. Then click the wrap text option and choose in front of text. Now we can see here we added gloss edge effect into image very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.